Hello. Okay, so here we go. We're going to show you what has happened with the Bugzilla integration. So here we have a case that was created with a Bugzilla number. So I'm going to click on that. It takes us over to the Bugzilla. And notice we actually have the case details down here. And what we're going to do, actually, we're going to update the status. We're going to say resolved, and then we'll say as design. Well, actually, let's see. I'm going to pick this one and save it. Now that we have that, we're going to run our process and see what happens on the Salesforce side. But before we do that, we're actually going to show, let's say we're going to clone this bug, and we're going to clone it with a Windows category, and I'm going to do this. So I've set the hardware, set the OS. We're going to update everything, and then we're going to say submit bug. Now that we have a bug, we're going to be sure that we change this to a record type of bug. And so everything's here, and we're going to say save, which is great. Now we're going to run our process, and we're going to see what happens to this case. So we're going to see this case escalation number, of course, with this case number of 347 with, we'll say, with that status. Oh, and we're going to say some whiteboard notes. And then, of course, we're going to switch over here to this actual bug, which a record type of bug. We're going to see what happens to this case of when things come back. Now that the process ran, we're going to do a refresh. Going to notice a couple things. Here is this bug number. It's now resolved unpredictable. Whiteboard has come across. But we'll also notice this bug has come down here. So this bug name, we can actually see the category and all these kind of information has come over here. So this is the actual details of the Bugzilla, right? Of the bug itself, which is the record type of bug. And then we have the escalation type, which is connected to, I guess that would actually be escalation, which would actually be connected to the actual Salesforce case. So that's the integration of kind of how it's working and what to look at.